Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, my this video contains a very beautiful, exquisite, elegant and decent collection of borderline embroidery ideas, hemline embroidery that could be designed for your kurti, neckline, your kameez, your shirt, border, your sleeves border, your trouser, palazzo, capris borders could be beautified and more creatively designed. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos, and in the comment section, leave your comments that what you feel about our content and which design you like the most and why. And then one more important thing, which in most of my videos I have shared with you, that we never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive behind making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share ideas, designs, and creative handwork. So now let's move back towards the main content. You can use Anchor and DMC for making these very beautiful borders of embroidery. Borderline embroideries have been done on a wide variety of different type of fabric colors, like that is dark colors like black, brown, blue, and lighter color shade themes like white, off-white, beige, cream have been used. So I would recommend you to exactly use the same color combination of threads along with the same combination of fabric color, so that you could get exactly the same pattern of embroidery and more creative and more pretty ideas closer to the reality in which form the designs you are seeing. So, I hope the ideas are creative. Simple and basic beginner embroidery stitches like satin stitch for making the flowers have been used, which is also termed as Brazilian embroidery, or a forward stitch for making leaves, stem stitch have been used. And you can also use satin or forward stitch for making leaf. Many leaves have been used by using the art of daisy or stem stitch, and lines have been filled by using chain stitch, and even you can use stem stitch also for filling the centers of the flowers. You can use French knot, or even you can use beads or pearls to make them formal. I hope that you have liked the design ideas of today's collection. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, thank you so much for watching.